Making a digital planner to sell on Etsy is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To start, first go to your web browser. Now search for Canva here. Click to open its official website. Once you're in, search for Digital Planner Templates. Here you'll find several templates that you can fully customize to make your planner. Click to open the template that you like from the results. Then click on the Customize this template button. Here you have a number of features available on Canva dashboard to make changes in your selected template. Click on Text to edit it. Once you're done, click on the Share button from your top right corner. Click on Download. Then select Format and click on Download. Once your digital planner is ready, open a new tab and search for Etsy. Click to open its official website. Scroll down to the end and click on Sell on Etsy. Here click on Get Started. Now click to sign in. I'm selecting my Google account to proceed further. You can select any of the given options. I'm having issues right now to make an Etsy account. You can follow the steps ahead to sell the planner we have just made.